Hey guys, welcome back. There's a video of how I turn this beautiful nappy hair to a silky, lovely, curly hair. Stay tuned and enjoy the process. Let's go. So this is a beautiful natural hair. Like really, it has really much together. So I have to first of all untangle this hair. We don't want our hair to damage, and at the same time we have to be very careful of how we maintain and keep our hair. So this middle, there's a process of untangling this beautiful nappy natural hair, and just stay tuned. So step one, what I added first was I mix apple cider vinegar with conditioner and water together. So first of all, spray it in the massage. You can see the way I'm using my hand to untangle. Try to untangle it first and spray more. Then gently massage it through and untangle the hair little gradually. So that's how the process goes. Stay tuned. So after spraying, massage, use your fingertip to comb through, just to brush through. Then use a comb. The comb have to be the white comb so that the hair will not be too painful and everything. And you start from the tip, from the end, from the tip to the end. Then you comb through. Yes, let's comb it through. Yeah, the process was nice. And if your hair is mushed together, you don't know what to do, hopefully this video help. So this is just me untangling the hair. So for the hair not to be everywhere, so I have to twist the first one, which I have done. That's me twisting it in. Take another patch of the hair, continue the process all over and all over again until I finally finish with the first step of untangling the hair. Yeah, that is a process. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I'm almost done with the first step. Yeah, same process all through the hair. So you can see how free the hair is looking. So done with the first step, which is untangle and comb it through. So I'm almost done with the first step. Yeah, this is the final batch of it all. Yeah, the process takes time a bit, but with patience and when you love what you're doing, so it doesn't take that much time. So yeah, this is the last process. This is the last page of it. And let's continue to see the way this hair turned out. Oh my goodness, our hair is very unique and special. No matter the texture of the type of hair you have, just know that your hair is beautiful. Your hair is your crown. Even if it got mushy, if it gets tangly, don't worry. You can fix it. Your hair is your crown. Your hair is your beauty. Yeah, takes me almost done with the first stage. So losing the party, see, look at how sick it is. Look, can you believe that this is the hair that we started with? Yeah, this is how beautiful the hair looks. So yeah, so now just comb everything together and go wash the hair. So you have to wash all those. We have to wash all this treatment out of the hair. Yay! Fully cold wash and clean and very very clean. So yeah, this is the hair. See, yeah, first step done. So fully wash and clean. So yeah, these are that step of the process, and these are the hair treatment that I will be using for this natural beautiful hair. Let's go. Let's begin. We need all the treatment that we need so the hair can stay silky, beautiful, and moisturized. There's a first of all, you have to comb through. Then use your comb. You can see how free there is. Then finger roll. Let's go. All right. Okay. Oh shit, I'm loving the process of this hair because our hair is so beautiful. So yeah, it's just me using my finger to roll the hair. Finger roll or palm roll. Yeah, finger roll. Yeah. All right, let's continue. They'll do this gradually all through the hair. First step done. Second, third, yeah. As you can see the difference between the one you finger roll and the one you just comb. Yeah, so that's how finger rolling it. This is the hair process of this beautiful look. Yeah, we almost done with the palm roll. What do you think? How is it coming out? Ah, this is looking so pretty already. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Hope this video help if you have a struggle to how to untangle your hair or how to make your hair look good. Hope this video work. Ciao, and I'll see you on my next one.